This first unit of English 109 is a narrative unit, and it's designed to just get you writing. So the major goal of this unit is that you become more comfortable as a writer and get to know a little bit about yourself as a writer. You get to start with you. A narrative asks you to tell a story about your own life and your personal history. I know that for a lot of people, their relationship with writing hasn't always been positive. Writing's something that you've been forced to do or tested on. It's something that you end up doing at the last minute. Sometimes it's even a punishment. English 109 is a course where we hope to change that relationship with writing, where you get lots of time to start with your own ideas, to develop them, you get help from your peers and your teachers to do so, and then you get to revise your writing until you're happy with it. So a key thing to remember is that this first unit of English 109 is really designed to get you more comfortable writing and hopefully help you enjoy the process. As I said, a personal narrative is a story about yourself. Because this is going to be a 4 to 5 page essay, you're not going to be able to tell your entire life story. You'll choose just one important moment from your life, and you'll write about it and why it was important to you. The early activities that you do in this unit, they're designed to get you writing the larger narrative assignment. There's nothing in this class that's just make work. Instead, even that introduction that you post about yourself on the class message board, that could become the seeds of your narrative essay. You'll also do a photo essay, you'll write a 140-character memoir, and you'll read a bunch of other narrative essays from the course textbook. But any of those things, hopefully, will be ways to get you thinking about how you want to write your essay yourself. If you read an essay in the course textbook where you really like the approach, you should try it out. Remember that this is just a 4 or 5 page essay. So you do have to choose just one moment from your life. You can't tell your entire life story. Instead, you want to pick one moment that was significant to you, and you want to show your reader why that was significant. Keep it simple, but also don't choose a story that you wouldn't feel comfortable sharing with the entire class. And when I say about showing your reader, that's different than telling your reader why something was significant. If you had a really important experience at summer camp, you could tell your reader why it was important, but because this is a narrative essay, some of the tools you want to use are about creating a story, using dialogue, creating characters, creating a scene, so that your reader can walk away from the essay and have seen and been shown why it was significant instead of being told. That's one of the keys to the narrative genre. You're also going to get to share this essay with your peers and/or with your teacher, and then to revise it. And in revision, you shouldn't be afraid to throw things away and start again. Revising means rereading your essay and seeing it in new ways, rewriting more than just to fix errors, but to add new dimensions or to reconceptualize. So also don't be afraid to take risks. Try writing it in a different way, because you always get the chance to do it again if it doesn't work out. You'll be rewarded for the risks that you take in this class. This essay is not going to be graded right away. You're going to get the chance to share it with your peers and/or with your teacher, and then have lots of time to revise it. If you put the work into revising, you could even revise this 2 or 3 times before anybody puts a grade on it. So make sure that you use that feedback that you get. Also, make sure in this unit that you give your peers really good feedback. It's really important to help one another in this class to improve as writers. Save all of your rough work. If you make a major revision, make sure that you save that new essay as a different file name. Later, when you're putting your final portfolio together, all of your rough work, all of your revisions, even the feedback that you give to other people are things that you're going to want to put together to show what you've learned from the process. So good luck with this assignment, and I hope you enjoy this unit.